that's alright. It's an off-white, like something you ride a sled. No, I just want that head. My brilliant man, a brilliant man. No, everybody got the same sweat. No, all the way to I said no. Stacking my bands all the way to the top, all the way to my bed falling. No, every time that you leave your spot, your girlfriend call me like, come on, no. I like the way that she treat me, gon' leave you, won't leave me. I call it that Casanova. She said I'm insane, I might blow my brain out.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my very first ever Ipsy unboxing. I don't know exactly what's in here. I only just now pulled that open, so if you guys are interested in seeing my March Ipsy bag, you're in the right place, and just keep on watching. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I think that's it. It is just this colored bag. It looks like the kinds you can color, but honestly I don't like the color, so looks like this. Inside, the first thing I feel is what is this? Winky Lux. I'm not sure what this is actually. What is this? This is an eyeshadow? Holographic highlighter. Okay, never mind. So this here is what it looks like. Okay, and that's what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, it's very buttery. A little bit of it, just watch right here. It comes off in chunks, but honestly, like, that's pretty. It's got like that pink undertone, you see it right there? That's pretty cute. I'm not sure if I'll ever use that, but we shall see. Next, what is this? Oh, this is just the March Ipsy thingy. The markers to color the bag. This is the Freematic eyeshadow. I don't know what the hell that says. Looks like this. I'm assuming it's a single shadow. It says this is in the shade 80 Ariana. Might be wrong, but you know, this is what it looks like. Hold on. Let's take it out and swatch it. Okay, it looks like this. Has like little glitters in it, at least that's what it looks like. Okay, right off the bat it's pigmented. That's this shade right here. It's nice. Not as much glitter as I thought, but initially it's a nice color. So that's pretty cool. Okay, and sorry for my lip here. I keep biting it for some reason. I don't know why. The next thing I pulled out is the Hava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. That's what that looks like. I've never heard of this brand. Let's see. Oh, it's sealed, so I'm just gonna smell it. Ew. Okay, well, right off the bat, that doesn't smell too good, but it's just a mud mask, so it doesn't really matter now, does it? And then the last two things in the bag is just a large eyeshadow brush by the brand Scone. Scone. Looks like this. It's like a flat shader brush. It just says large eyeshadow on it. So, just, yo, my cheeks are so red from these lights right now. Oh, sorry. And the very last thing is the Tarte Sex Kitten what is this, an eyeliner? Yeah, it's an eyeliner. Oh, it's upside down. This is what the eyeliner looks like. It's really little. Ooh, it's creamy though. It's not very matte black in my opinion, and honestly it's very small. So I have a cup full of liner pencils, and this one, this is small as the cup, so I'm not gonna, you know, reach for this. I'm gonna have to put it where I can get it to. But this here is the swatch. It does smear, so it's not waterproof and smudge proof. Yeah, that's cute though. And that's it for the bag. So yeah, overall, for my very first ever Ipsy bag, I mean, I'm honestly not impressed. I'm probably going to cancel my subscription after this because I mean, this is kind of like, why? Like, why? The only thing in here that I'd probably use would be the mud mask and maybe the brush. Maybe. That's a big maybe because honestly I don't use packer brushes often. So yeah, we'll shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and then like always, I love you guys.